Welcome to Official History World, where history comes alive. Explore the events, empires, and people that shaped our world. Subscribe and be part of our journey through time.
Imagine a land bigger than Europe, covered in ice more than 2 miles thick, where 99% of the surface has never been touched by human feet. A continent locked away from the world, where every nation on Earth signed a treaty saying, no one owns it, no one touches it, no one exploits it. Why? Because what lies beneath Antarctica's frozen surface might just rewrite everything we know about human history, ancient civilizations, and even our planet's future. This is not just another story about penguins, glaciers, and snowstorms. This is about Antarctica in 2025, the forbidden continent that might hold Earth's real history. 1. The strangest place on Earth. Let's start with the basics. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Temperatures can drop to minus 128 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze steel in seconds. But here's the twist. Beneath that frozen desert lies a hidden world. Mountain ranges taller than the Alps, valleys the size of the Grand Canyon, and even liquid lakes sealed off for millions of years. For example, Lake Vostok sits buried under 2 miles of ice, untouched for at least 15 million years. Scientists drilled into it and discovered strange microbial life forms that shouldn't even exist under such extreme conditions. So here's the question: what else could be buried down there? 2. The Antarctic Treaty. Why is it off limits? In 1959, something extraordinary happened. At the height of the Cold War, when the US and USSR were fighting over every inch of the planet, they suddenly agreed on one thing: no one is allowed to claim Antarctica. The Antarctic Treaty declared the continent a place only for peaceful scientific research. No wars, no drilling, no mining. Now think about that. The same superpowers who couldn't agree on anything suddenly agreed to keep this resource-rich land untouched? Remember, Antarctica is believed to hold the largest reserve of untapped oil and natural gas on the planet, along with rare minerals like gold, platinum, and even uranium. Yet for over 60 years, the world has kept its hands off. Why? What are they hiding? 3. Maps that shouldn't exist. Now, let's go back in time. Hundreds of years before Antarctica was officially discovered in 1820, explorers and cartographers already had maps showing the continent. The most famous is the Piri Reis map from 1513. This Ottoman admiral drew Antarctica's coastline without ice. Modern geologists confirm that the landmass underneath matches the shape of Antarctica's true bedrock, which has been hidden under ice for thousands of years. So, how did a 16th century admiral know what lay beneath the frozen continent? Theories range from ancient civilizations with advanced knowledge to lost maps handed down from a forgotten global culture. Either way, it challenges the entire narrative of when humans discovered this land. 4. Lost civilizations under the ice? Here's where things get fascinating. Some scientists, and plenty of alternative historians, believe that Antarctica may once have been home to an advanced civilization. Why? Because about 12,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age, Earth went through a dramatic climate shift. This aligns with theories like Graham Hancock's and Randall Carlson's, that a sudden global catastrophe, maybe a comet strike, wiped out ancient advanced societies, leaving only myths like Atlantis. Satellite scans have revealed strange pyramid-shaped mountains in Antarctica, eerily similar to the pyramids of Egypt. Coincidence? Or were these structures built, or at least shaped, by intelligent hands thousands of years ago? Some researchers argue that if Atlantis existed, Antarctica might be the real location. Plato described it as a massive landmass beyond the Pillars of Hercules, the Strait of Gibraltar, destroyed by floods and ice. That sounds a lot like the sudden freezing of Antarctica. 5th, Nazi bases and secret missions. Now let's get into the darker side of history. During World War II, the Nazis launched expeditions to Antarctica. They claimed a massive portion of the continent, calling it Neuschwabenland. Rumors spread that they built underground bases, experimented with advanced technology, and even tried to discover ancient relics buried under the ice. After the war, the US launched Operation High Jump in 1946, a massive military mission led by Admiral Richard Byrd. It included 13 ships, 4,700 men, and advanced aircraft. Officially, it was for training. Unofficially, Byrd later told a Chilean newspaper that the US had encountered flying objects that could travel pole to pole at incredible speeds. Did they stumble upon something the public wasn't supposed to know? 6. Modern secrecy and strange sightings. Fast forward to today, and Antarctica is still shrouded in mystery. In 2016, Google Earth users spotted what looked like massive structures, entrances, and artificial shapes beneath the ice. In 2019, scientists discovered a massive hole the size of Manhattan inside the Thwaites Glacier, raising fears that sea levels could rise faster than expected. Whistleblowers have claimed that world leaders secretly visit Antarctica for reasons not publicly disclosed. Even Patriarch Kirill of the Russian Orthodox Church visited in 2016. Why would a religious leader travel to one of the most inhospitable places on Earth? Something is definitely happening there beyond just science. 7. Antarctica and climate change. A ticking time bomb. Here's the part that affects all of us directly. Antarctica holds over 70% of Earth's freshwater locked in its ice sheets. If it melts completely, global sea levels could rise by over 200 feet, enough to drown entire cities like New York, London, and Mumbai. Already, satellite data shows the ice sheets are melting faster than predicted. Some scientists believe we may have already passed the point of no return for parts of West Antarctica. And yet, governments aren't rushing to drill or mine. Why? Maybe because they fear disrupting something far more dangerous, or uncovering something buried that we're not ready to face. 8. What are they hiding in 2025? Now, in 2025, the mystery deepens. Recent research missions have been unusually restricted, with access given only to select scientists. Reports hint at discoveries of massive underground lakes, magnetic anomalies, and even unusual structures deep under the ice. And with new technology like satellite ground-penetrating radar and AI data analysis, scientists are seeing things they've never seen before. So here's the thought-provoking question. What if Antarctica holds the key not just to our future, but to our forgotten past? What if under all that ice lies proof of a pre-human civilization, or evidence that our planet has gone through cycles of destruction and rebirth that we're only beginning to understand? 9. Antarctica. The real history of Earth? Think about it. Every continent has ruins, myths, and mysteries pointing to lost civilizations. Egypt, Mesopotamia, the Mayans, the Indus Valley. But Antarctica, it's completely silent, hidden under ice. Maybe that silence isn't because nothing was ever there. Maybe it's because everything that was there has been sealed away, waiting to be rediscovered. Antarctica could hold evidence of ancient advanced societies, Atlantis, or something even older, secrets of extraterrestrial contact, if strange aerial phenomena really were seen there, clues to Earth's climate cycles, proving that history repeats itself and that we're heading for another reset. In recent years, scientists have uncovered massive underground rivers flowing beneath Antarctica's ice, stretching for hundreds of miles. These hidden waterways connect subglacial lakes, creating ecosystems that may have been isolated for millions of years. If advanced life, or ancient ruins, exist anywhere untouched, Antarctica is the prime candidate. Satellite scans recently revealed giant hexagonal patterns beneath Antarctica's ice, sparking theories of lost cities or ancient technology buried deep below the frozen continent. Antarctica is the last great frontier, a frozen vault that might hold the true history of humanity, the secrets of lost civilizations, and maybe even the warning signs of our own future. And in 2025, with technology advancing faster than ever, we may finally be on the edge of uncovering what's been hidden for millennia. But here's the real question. When the truth comes out, will it set us free? Or will it shake the foundations of everything we believe about our past, our present, and our destiny? Because sometimes the most forbidden places are forbidden for a reason. If you want to keep exploring mysteries like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's uncover the truth together.